great. And I wonder if you could just clap for us, just for just one big one.
Is everyone in?
Yeah. Yep.
Are you ready? Are you
Yep.
rolling?
Wait, are you going to go first and then me?
When do you know when a painting is finished?
Where do you get your ideas from?
What do you find funny?
That's an almost unanswerable question, but I'll try.
I found out that I could say whatever the fuck I wanted to in art and not get arrested.
That's the last advice I'm ever giving up.
Wow, that smell just drives me.
Oh my God, wow. Oh no. Ah.
Oh, fire.
I love it.
What matters the most is the content. Who's in the picture and why are they there?
I transform hate into love. That works makes me tick.
We're based. I'll start again, actually. So.
Donald, take a look and see what you think. He says it's because of the wall. Oh, okay, that's a huge relief. I'm Judy Chicago, and I'm an artist and a troublemaker.
I think that's rather good, I think.